In many clinics today, managing patient records and daily operations is still done manually. Paper files, slow scheduling, and disorganized data often leads to delays and inefficiency. To address these challenges, we develop Project Care, clinic access and record enhancement system designed for nurses and doctors. A digital solution that simplifies clinic operations and improves healthcare services. For nurses, the system allows fast patient registration, update clinic inventory, and easy request and scheduling. All patient information is securely stored and accessible anytime. For doctors, the system provides instant access to patient medical history, diagnosis, and prescriptions. This supports better decision making and faster patient care. With improved workflow, secure data management, and reliable access to information, our Project Care Clinic Access and Record Enhancement System helps healthcare professionals and deliver better and more efficient patient care.